Imagine never worrying about what happens at home when you're away. Thanks to cutting-edge security cameras that keep you connected 24/7. From crystal-clear night vision to lightning-fast alerts and AI-powered detection, these top picks redefine peace of mind. Ready to discover which model will guard your sanctuary best? All the products featured in this video can be found in the description below. For more comprehensive analysis and handy comparison, please visit our website at smartpicked.com. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to keep up with our latest updates. Now, let's jump into the listicle. At number 5, we have Blink Mini, the best budget home security camera. Compact and powerful, the Blink Mini stands out as the best budget home security camera. After extensive testing, I found it delivers impressive performance while remaining easy to use. You'll appreciate the full HD footage, providing clear visuals day and night. Setting up the camera takes just a few minutes, and controlling it through the app is straightforward. This convenience saves time and hassle for busy users. Cloud and local storage options enhance flexibility. However, for local storage, you must buy an extra sync module. This detail may require an additional investment, but the free cloud storage trial offers a risk-free way to explore features. While it lacks person detection, this trade-off makes sense for those valuing simplicity. In comparison, slightly pricier options may clutter your experience with unnecessary features. Blink Mini keeps your security straightforward and effective. What I love most about this product is its compact size. It tucks neatly into any corner without drawing attention. This design is ideal for discreet monitoring in homes or apartments. A minor drawback is the absence of person detection, but the camera still provides excellent security features. You won't miss out on essential monitoring capabilities. But wait until you see how this next model transforms your cleaning game entirely. At number 4, we have Reolink Argus 4 Pro, the best wireless home security camera. Need a top-notch security camera? Try the Reolink Argus 4 Pro. This camera impresses with its stunning 180-degree field of view, thanks to its unique dual lens design, capturing every corner of your property in 4K ultra-high definition. It delivers sharp images day or night. One standout feature is ColorX Night Vision. It records vibrant, full-color video even in total darkness, eliminating the need for a spotlight. This ability offers peace of mind while allowing you to monitor your surroundings at any hour. Battery life shines as well. This camera's impressive longevity ensures it can keep watch without frequent recharges. Plus, being wireless makes installation a breeze. You can place it virtually anywhere, giving you complete control over your home security setup. I appreciate how user-friendly the app is. Monitoring your footage and adjusting settings proves seamless and intuitive. Notifications alert you when motion is detected, helping you stay informed. However, absence of a floodlight may seem like a drawback. Without that extra light, it lacks the deterrent effect that a traditional security light offers. Still, many users may value video quality over that feature. In testing this camera's capabilities, I found it to be remarkably reliable. The Reolink Argus 4 Pro stands out as the best wireless home security camera for its combination of clarity, ease of use, and innovative technology. You won't believe the performance boost in the next vacuum I'm about to show you. Still searching for the perfect home security camera? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed. At number 3, we have Ring Outdoor Cam, the best, easiest to install home security camera. Need a smart home security solution? Ring Outdoor Cam is your best choice for easy installation and reliability. This battery-powered camera performs well in both indoor and outdoor settings, making it incredibly versatile. With sharp 1080p video, you'll never miss a moment, ensuring clarity in every shot. Setup is a breeze. You can have it up and running in minutes without needing special tools or expertise. Mobility allows you to place the camera anywhere you need coverage. It integrates seamlessly with Ring products and various third-party smart devices, enhancing your home's security. Motion detection alerts arrive promptly and are often spot on, keeping you informed of any activity in real time. This feature is invaluable for peace of mind. You can trust your camera to alert you about what matters most, while the long battery life ensures continual operation without frequent recharges. While many might wish for local storage options, utilizing cloud storage offers flexibility and convenience. This eliminates worries about losing footage due to hardware damage, ensuring you always have access to crucial video history. What I love most is how user-friendly the Ring Outdoor Cam is. It simplifies security, making it accessible to everyone. Compared to similar models, this camera stands out with its combination of video quality and quick installation. Get ready, because the next pick takes versatility to a whole new level. At number 2, we have Google Nest Indoor-Outdoor Cam, 2nd Gen, the best versatile home security camera. Versatility meets performance with the Google Nest Indoor-Outdoor Cam, 2nd Gen. This camera excels in various conditions, seamlessly transitioning from indoor to outdoor settings. Its impressive battery life allows you to place the camera anywhere without constant worry about charging. One standout feature is the AI detection. This smart technology distinguishes between people, animals, and vehicles, sending you tailored alerts. Having this level of precision in notifications keeps you in control of your security. Plus, if you choose to subscribe, familiar face recognition enhances your peace of mind even further. Two-way audio adds another layer of interactivity. You can communicate with anyone near the camera, whether you're inside your home or away. This feature is especially handy for preventing unwanted scenarios. Night vision with HDR ensures clear visuals even in dim lighting, so you won't miss any details. A practical highlight includes easy recharging. Simply pop the camera off its magnetic base when the battery runs low. Also, the 3 hours of free video storage sets Google Nest apart. Unlike some competitors, you don't need a subscription to access recent footage, providing quick and easy peace of mind in emergencies. While the setup process is straightforward, some users may prefer more customization options. Hold on, up next is a model that redefines ease and efficiency. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. At number 1, we have Arlo Pro 5 S2K Spotlight Camera, the best overall home security camera. Need a top-notch security solution? Check out the Arlo Pro 5 S2K Spotlight Camera. It excels in versatility, making it the best overall home security camera on the market. This camera offers stunning 2K resolution with HDR. Expect crisp visuals even at night with its color night vision. A remarkable 160-degree field of view means you catch every angle of movement. Smart alerts allow you to customize detection zones, so you'll know precisely when something triggers the camera. Two-way audio enhances communication, allowing you to interact with anyone on the scene. Arlo's advanced motion detection differentiates between people, packages, and other objects. Plus, the built-in spotlight activates during low light, enhancing safety. Built to withstand extreme temperatures, you can place it inside or outside without worry. What I love most about this product is its adaptability. The option for indoor or outdoor use provides flexibility. You can even connect it directly without relying solely on battery power, thanks to the optional cable. On a minor note, the subscription to the Arlo Secure Plan is a smart choice. However, it's a consideration for budget-conscious buyers. Local storage does require additional purchases like a compatible smart hub, which can add to your expense. That's a wrap. We trust you enjoyed exploring our selection of best home security cameras. If you did, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up and clicking the subscribe button. Additionally, feel free to share in the comments which home security camera you're considering. Let's turn your choice into reality. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos.